What's going on, guys? I'm back with another video. It's late at night today. It's nighttime. I don't want to be out in the heat in Houston. It's real hot. It's hot right now. Nighttime, but Justin, I just got this new seat for my bike. I got this loaner seat, you know, since I'm a loner. I go out alone on my own. I got this loaner seat, and so there's no need for this double seat, you know, since it's just me on my own. And so yeah, we're gonna be changing the bike. It's gonna look different. I got my little microphone now. I don't know, I look funny, huh? I talked about it in my last video. Y'all heard me wanting to get that little solo seat because, you know, I thought it looks nice. It's not the one that I'm talking about, because there's one that's like sits like straight on the bike. This one has springs, like a Springer seat. What can I tell y'all? Gonna be doing this real quick. Got this big tripod with me, and y'all gonna be here with me. All right, guys, y'all gonna be here with me. Let's do a little quick unboxing so I can show y'all. All right, guys, so this is the seat I got. Let's open it this way. This is the seat I got. I got it on Amazon. I thought it was a pretty good deal for a kind of seat. It looked good. So this is it. They're 3-inch springs. It's pretty big, huh? But I think it comes with 2 styles. Yeah. 2 different styles. It comes with these. Let me take it off for y'all. So we're doing an unboxing. Ooh, shiny. Probably paint them black. Come with this style spring, and with these that I'm probably gonna be putting. I'm probably gonna go with these. This style spring. Okay. I think I'm gonna go with those. It comes with the seat plate. Comes with this seat plate, cool looking seat plate. Right here, I can hear the hardware. Yeah, look, she comes with hardware. That's a good thing. This is the seat. Looks legit seat. Yeah. Okay. And grand finale. The seat. I got this seat because the stitching on it looked pretty nice. Pretty legit. Look at that. It's the curvature. Hold my butt. All that power won't push me back. Just like that. Sadly, no instructions. Comes with this thing, this looking thing. I think it goes like this. Somehow. So, let's get to it. Almost forgot. Now I gotta find where to hide this wiring. Just for my LEDs. There you go. Let me put this wire in here because I don't really need this wire right now. Just set it aside. There you go. That's what it's supposed to do. Goes in there. It sits in there. Might have a little problem. The bike, this burley slammer is so low, I can barely reach I'll be back once I remove this. I'll be back. I finally took that bolt out. It was a mission. Since I got these small springs, it was hard to reach in there, but all you really gotta do is take them off. But I don't feel like doing that. It's pretty. I want to do it the fast way. Well, that is the fast way, but I want to do it without taking everything apart. And so I got that off. Now I gotta take this off from the tank. Let's see what we need. Am I tying it? Let me take this plastic off. Oh, I've got the Loctite. I'm gonna have to put some Loctite when I'm finished. Woo! That's tight. Finally put that plate on. So that was a mission to get this little bolt in there. You could use the same bolt that it comes like the original seat has. It just has this part over it. Let me see if I can find it. Oh, kind of lost it. You can use this, the bolt that has under, just pass it through. Or you can use that same bolt that went through here, and it catches with the hardware it comes with. And right here, I use the same one the bike came with. The seat came with one, but I decided to use the same one because that's better. It comes with the bike. And man, that was a mission to put on. I'm telling you, this is a mission right here. This was pretty easy. This one, real easy. You just bolt it on right there. That, and you can choose how far you want it up or back. I put mine more in the back, but you fix it. And then so now that's done. Whew. You might need some second person to help you little parts, but mostly you can do it on your own. So they're just on their own for real. Strange. Keep in mind, no instructions. I think the seat comes with its own hardware also. So just take these little stoppers off. Nothing is really bolted in yet, but this is how the bike looks. That's how it looks. See? Boom. There you go. Let's go on the other side. Back. Gives it a totally different style. Different style, but it looks like it might be a little higher. But what I'm thinking I'm gonna do, I'm probably gonna take these bolts off and then put some door stoppers on the top ones, and it'll be slammed. What's up, guys? So it's not the next day, it's next week. Yeah, I ended up having to go out of town. I didn't like how the seat came out. It was while riding it, it was too uncomfortable. But I made little changes on it. Do I look dark? I feel like I look dark. I was out of town. I went to Austin. I was in Austin working there for a whole week. But I'm back. And feels super good out here in Houston right now. Little cold front. But yeah, I made little changes. I made little changes to the seat. It was too high. The seat was way too high, and it was kind of uncomfortable, the position, especially me, I'm short. I always saw in videos like their seats, when they put these seats, they stay so flush. And I was like, man, how come mine's so high? And at the end, I ended up taking out this little metal right here. I know y'all see me put it on. This one and this one right here. Sit together just like that. Lifts it about 2 inches, and like when I would step on the gas, I would fall back. So I made little modifications. So I took that off. I kept the springs. I think I'm gonna take them off and put what I've seen some people, they put little, what I asked around on Facebook, they put little door stops, so it'll be, you know, way lower. But yeah, this is how she looks. Look at that. So I'm gonna ride around like this for a little while, see how it feels. And if I want to change it, I'll take those springs off, or I got the other ones, the other style. But I'm gonna keep it like that for now. This little seat, I picked it up on Amazon. Got it on Amazon. I think it was like 50, 60 bucks. I think this was a little more pricey one because it had, like this little stitching, and it came with the actual plate. You can get it without the plate, and I think it's like 30 bucks. I don't know, but yeah, it's pretty good. It fits good, no problems. It fits good on there. Real cool seat. I'm probably ride it for like a month, and I'll give y'all a little review, or maybe a week or two. Yeah, I give you a little review, see how it feels. I already rode it today, took it to the gym, and it feels good. Feels perfect. It's just now, instead of slipping back, now you slip to the front when you brake. But it's all good. It's looking nice. You know, I want to go for that bobber look. I just need to cut the fender. I gotta commit and cut the fender and cut those. I forgot what I call them, but the frame. Yeah, I gotta commit to that one. So, but I'm gonna wait on that. Cause I had used to grind it before, and it didn't go well. That thing was cut into my leg. Look, I'm gonna show y'all. Damn, look at that. Yeah, the grinder went. That thing got me. It tore up my pants, and then my shoe, it cut it like all right here, almost to it got my toe, barely. So I'm gonna wait on that. Alright guys, so I hope this helped a lot of y'all, and I hope y'all enjoy my videos, and I just want to say again, thank you for passing that 100 subscriber limit. You know, that was a big goal, finally got there. Don't forget, hit that like. If you have any questions, just comment down below, ask me anything you want. You know, I always reply to everybody. I'm always replying. I'm not afraid to reply back. You know, if you're looking for that seat, I'll leave the link down below in the description. You know, leave it there so y'all can find it. And yeah, all right guys, peace.